Hey guys, what's up? It's your Girls Connect new slime sparkly video.
So we're gonna be making glitter slime.
So let's get started on the video.
So we're gonna add about a tablespoon of each color. It's okay. So we're gonna have blue.
Come on.
Okay, that's enough.
Really? Not much? Okay, it's fine. Okay, next we are on to the pink.
That's enough.
Okay. Okay, next purple. That's gonna add up to a thing. So let's add just more. Actually, yeah, let's add more blue. There's like hardly any blue. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, let's add it to the bowl. So sparkly. It's like with unicorn poop.
It's gonna be galaxy.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's spoon right there.
It's okay, just mix with that.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do a tablespoon of lotion.
And this is what it looks like. It's like a purpley-ish. It looks like galaxy. Okay. Pour it. Okay. Next, eye solution. Yeah.
No, borax
Oh yeah.
and water.
Half a tablespoon. And water. Oh yeah. Borax and water, yeah. Just mix it together.
More.
It's getting there. Cookie. Cookie. Whoa. Okay, yeah, a lot more because it just got stuck to my hand. Bombs wave. No. It's a lot more. I think that's good. Okay. I'm gonna add
Okay.
to the mic.
Yeah. Go get a cup.
I can't. Okay. Here we go.
Now
Get
put in the
every tiny
microwave.
piece. We want a lot of slime.
Put it in the microwave for like
10 seconds?
10 seconds. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay. Well, she does that. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Do a dance while you wait.
No. Don't look at me. Is it good?
Ew. No.
No?
Needs more borax.
Okay, borax coming up.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's getting better. Let's just go add it to the microwave. You want to show yourself to life? Hi guys! Hi guys! Okay. Is it better?
Or no, kind of. Oh, that's hot.
Okay, let's come. Ow! Put it down. Hurry! Hurry!
Yeah, that still needs a lot more borax.
Oh my gosh.
Burn my hands.
Ow. Stupid cup. Oh yeah. I think that's good or no?
Yeah, I don't think it needs to go in the microwave anymore.
Yeah. Okay, split it. Okay. So then we add some lotion again, so make it a lot more stretchy.
Let's see the sparkle.
It's a little sparkly right there.
Mm.
Really hard to stretch, but I'm gonna make it possible to stretch. Sorry, Mama, I used all your lotion. Ew. Noodles. Okay. More. Whee!
It's good now?
Ish, maybe. Oh, Bucky. Oh, you're cute. You're cute. Boom, boom. It's getting a little better.
It just looks
Okay.
purple now.
Yeah. So, that's the end of our video. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.